So now you understand we need reservoir simulation to forecast or to predict how the CO2 will be trapped. Okay, so that's why it is the main theme of our class, yeah, reservoir simulation, because reservoir simulation is very, very important to know the flow, to know the trapping mechanism. Yeah, it is another depiction. We have residual CO2 here, and then CO2 plume migrating there. It will be at this one in structural trapping. It will accumulate, and then convective mixing and CO2 dissolution in brine will happen also here. Okay, so there will be many mechanisms that will trap the CO2. This is another depiction, yeah. CO2 storage flow processes. We inject via well, injection well, and because of gravity, it will go up. Okay, near well single phase flow with strong pressure gradients and dry out zone. This will be there, and we will have two phase flow viscous gravity transition region. And yeah, of course, because of the reservoir is heterogeneous, we will have heterogeneity effects. And far field, it will be gravity and capillary dominated. So this is the CO2 storage flow processes. And this is the contribution for each the trapping mechanism. We inject usually into 20 or 20 through 40 years. So we inject in that time period, 20 to 40 years. And in that time zone, okay, the most important mechanism is structural and stratigraphic trapping. But along with time, other trapping mechanisms will be active, like residual trapping, solubility trapping, mineral trapping will be active after quite some time. But actually we need hundreds of years, unfortunately. Ya, kita nggak bisa berharap cepat-cepat nih residual langsung terjadi, solubility trapping langsung terjadi, mineral trapping langsung terjadi. We cannot expect that. We need hundreds of years, and we need to wait so that the residual trapping, solubility trapping, and mineral trapping can be active and can work. Yeah, we need some time until the chemical reaction happen, until the mineralization is happen. Okay, we need some time. We need to be patient. We just focus on injecting, and injecting. Ya, this is our homework. PR kita adalah inject dengan aman, dan we will wait for hundreds of years. Okay, and the CO2 will go into the chemical process and it will be minerals. Ya, jadi jangan sedih juga gitu, nggak apa-apa. Yang penting kita injek selama 20-40 tahun, CO2 plume will spread, ya, CO2 plume will flow. 100 tahun, ratusan tahun ke depan, dia akan tersimpan sebagai minerals. Ya, ya, this is another depiction like for injection in 20, 40, 50 years and trapping filling first. Yeah, trap filling. It will fill the structural trapping and the physical trapping, the stratigraphic trapping. And then the solution will play after hundreds of years. And the residual trapping also after hundreds of years or maybe thousands of years. But don't be sad, ya. It's okay, nggak apa-apa, karena if we are talking about geological time, ya kita pasti akan butuh ratusan ribuan tahun. Okay? Mineralization adsorption can happen earlier. Maybe we need 100 years, and the CO2 will adsorb on the rock surface. This is the simulation, yeah, the modeling. We inject via the well, yeah, through the well. And then this is the CO2 plume. Okay. The condition, the model is homogeneous reservoir. It is flat. And this is the cross-sectional view. And then after 5 years, it will go up due to gravity, yeah, because it is lighter than water, so it will still flow upward, ya, karena dia lebih ringan dari air, it will still flow upward. And then for 30 years, it will be like this. The CO2 plume will migrate and will be spread like this one. What happened? 40 years, we stop the injection. We stop the injection, it will be accumulating up at the upper part of the reservoir. It will be spread like this one, 300 years. And then what happened after almost 1000 years? Mineralization will happen. Okay, mineralization will happen and it will go down and down due to mineralization. And minerals are heavier than water. Ya, mineral akan lebih berat dibandingkan air, so they will go down and it will be settled on the bottom, okay, for all the time. Okay, so yeah, still we need thousands of years to keep and to trap the CO2 permanently. So that's the idea. So we as engineers, we need to focus on the injection. Okay, the trapping, the dissolution, the mineralization, we leave it to the nature. Ya, kita biarkan nature yang work. Ya, we pray to God that the process will be fine. There will be no leakage. Yeah, we just need to make sure that we can inject well, no leakage, and we just wait and pray that the CO2 will be trapped forever. Okay. Yeah, it's just to compare between the conventional structural trapping versus the residual trapping.